Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Windows Media Player and moving directly to your media library so Playback is ready. Once opened, add folders to the library, music, videos, pictures, so the player scans and indexes files. Make sure to set your default Playback device and any audio enhancements in options devices so sound is correct. If you stream, sign in and enable network sharing. These steps make sure your content appears and plays without extra configuration. Now you'll control Playback and assemble collections. Play files by double-clicking or drag them into Now Playing. Use the Mini Player for background listening. Create playlists. Choose New Playlist, drag songs or videos, then save as WPL or M3U so you can reuse them. To copy music from a CD, use the RIP tab and pick Format and Bitrate. To produce discs, switch to the Burn tab and arrange tracks. Once done, test a playlist to confirm transitions and finish by syncing and locking in settings so your media behaves consistently. Connect your device and use the Sync tab, drag playlists or files to the device pane and start sync. Make sure formats are supported. Then review options for playback, privacy, and library monitoring to automate updates. If something fails, rebuild the library database, reinstall or update codecs, and confirm device drivers are current. These steps resolve most issues. Try them in sequence and restart the player if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.